It's Storytime Saturday! Wow, look at the moon. Gracie, what does the night ocean look like?
The meadow glowed in silver light, with flowers sleeping soft and tight. Fireflies danced in golden rings like tiny stars with glowing wings. Tutu looked past every tree, wondering what she'd never seen. Somewhere far beyond the hill, the night felt wide, the world felt still. Gracie smiled and held her hand. I don't know that far off land, but if your wish feels big and new, I'll walk beside the moon with you. Ocean, ocean, wait for me, past the flowers, past the trees. Ocean, ocean, soft and bright, do you sparkle in moonlight? Step by step we'll find our way, under stars that gently sway. Through the clover side by side, Tutu skipped with eyes so wide. Past the crickets, past the trees, past the sleepy evening breeze. Then Tutu slowed and whispered low, what if it's too far to go? Gracie said, just stay with me, the moon is watching quietly. Every dream, both big and small, starts with one brave step at all. And when the night feels big and new, I'll be right here next to you. Ocean, ocean, wait for me, past the flowers, past the trees. Ocean, ocean, soft and bright, lead us through the moonlit night. Hand in hand we'll find our way, under stars that gently sway. Ocean, ocean, wait for me, there's so much I wanna see. At the top of one last hill, everything grew calm and still. Tutu gasped, her eyes shone blue, bigger than the sky she knew. There it danced beneath the moon, singing soft its silver tune. Tutu whispered, Gracie, see, it's even bigger than a dream. Gracie smiled, it's beautiful too, but your own light came with you. The world is wide and dreams can roam, but love will always lead us home. Ooh, la la la, the moonlight glows, la la la, the soft wind blows. Ocean, ocean, now I see why you call so far to me. Ocean, ocean, soft and bright, dancing in the moonlit night. The world is wide, dreams can roam, but love will always lead us home. Back they went through flowers sweet, with moonlit grass beneath their feet. Tutu smiled, her heart aglow. Home is wonderful too.
See you next Storytime Saturday, fruity friends! What an adventure! Come back for more. Subscribe!